We'll check some more breaking news coming in at this hour. We're getting information as per reports that the US has approved about a $16.5 billion arms deal to Gulf nations. That's right. That's the latest that we're tracking at this hour. Now we're learning that the deal includes sales of drones. That is information coming to us from reports. As we're learning that the United States has approved about $16.5 billion arms deal to Gulf states amid, of course, the rising tensions in West Asia. Now the proposed deal also includes the sale of drones, missiles and radars for Gulf allies, including UAE, Kuwait and Jordan. That's the latest that we're tracking at this hour. We're learning that there has been a fresh and an important arms deal that has been approved by the United States. This is about a $16.5 billion arms deal, which of course provides arms to Gulf nations. Like I mentioned, that the Gulf nations in question are UAE, Kuwait and Jordan. Well, going back to my colleague Vishal on this. Vishal, that's a crucial development coming in as we're learning that there is a crucial arms deal in the talks. Walk us through the details.
Well, these are unconfirmed reports. We'll have to wait for official confirmation on all of this. But US media is quite, detailed in this, and in which it has already mentioned the terms of the deal. It's a $16.5 billion deal, which includes drones, missiles, and radar. So these three components are required in the defense mechanism of the region. Because when the conflict started, when Iran started attacking these Gulf nations, there was already worry. Many experts had already expressed that these countries, these nations will run out of their defense stockpiles, and that seems to be the case at this point of time, because they have not clearly mentioned, these nations UAE, Kuwait or Jordan, that they are running out of their munitions. But many experts had already said that in about a week or two, these nations will run out of their stockpile munitions. So that is what is seemingly happening at the moment. These nations seem to be running out of their defense stockpiles. So they are trying to replenish the stocks in a deal with the US, and this can include drones, radar and missiles, because all the three things are important in countering whatever Iran has been doing. Drones, because Shahid drones have been deployed by the Iran side in swarms. They have sent thousands of drones across the region. So the US allies in the region, the GCC nations, need their own drones to counter those drones. And radar is of course needed to guide the missiles, and missiles are also needed to counter a lot of these drones, and ballistic missiles are coming, because a lot of these structures have been damaged by ballistic missiles. Yesterday we saw Ras Laffan was attacked for the first time by ballistic missiles.
Right.
So these things are needed, and they will be provided, is what these reports are saying.
Right, absolutely. Vishal, you very rightly mentioned about the Shahid drones. Of course, it's also being dubbed as the war of the low-cost drones. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those crucial updates with us.